This is the USB 3.1 Type-C to USB 2.0 male adapter from Pleson. It's a very useful adapter for those who have the Nexus devices or any Type-C compatible devices. It's under 10 bucks in Amazon, as you can see here. So let's see how it works. It's a 3.3 feet cable. So we'll do a quick check on the size. Okay, pretty long, so it should be enough for the laptop. So I will just plug it in and check if it is working fine. Okay, so it shows charging, so it immediately starts charging. Computer, it needs a software to access this, but as for charging, I think it's working fine. So that is the primary use of this cable, and it's working perfectly.